Introduction to Azure Synapse Ingestion from Event Hub. Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources including Azure Event Hub. In this guide we will walk through the process of ingesting data from Event Hub into Azure Synapse. Step 1. Understanding key concepts. Before we begin, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in this process. Azure Event Hub is a highly scalable event ingestion system that can handle large volumes of data. Azure Synapse, on the other hand, is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Step 2. Setting up Event Hub. To ingest data from Event Hub into Azure Synapse, we first need to set up an Event Hub namespace and create an Event Hub. We can do this by logging into the Azure portal and navigating to the Event Hub section. Here we can create a new Event Hub namespace in Event Hub. Step 3. Creating an Azure Synapse workspace. Next, we need to create an Azure Synapse workspace. This can be done by logging into the Azure portal and navigating to the Azure Synapse section. Here we can create a new Azure Synapse workspace and link it to our Azure storage account. Step 4. Configuring Event Hub ingestion. To ingest data from Event Hub into Azure Synapse, we need to configure an Event Hub ingestion pipeline. This can be done by navigating to the Azure Synapse Studio and creating a new pipeline. Here we can add an Event Hub source and configure the connection to our Event Hub. Step 5. Mapping data to Azure Synapse tables. Once we have configured the Event Hub ingestion pipeline, we need to map the ingested data to Azure Synapse tables. This can be done by creating a new mapping in the Azure Synapse Studio. Here we can select the Event Hub source and map the data to the corresponding Azure Synapse table. Best practices for Azure Synapse ingestion from Event Hub. To ensure efficient and reliable data ingestion from Event Hub into Azure Synapse, it is essential to follow best practices. These include monitoring the Event Hub ingestion pipeline for any errors or issues, optimizing the Event Hub throughput to handle large volumes of data, and implementing data validation and quality checks to ensure data accuracy and consistency. Conclusion. In this guide we have walked through the process of ingesting data from Event Hub into Azure Synapse. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can ensure efficient and reliable data ingestion from Event Hub into Azure Synapse and unlock the full potential of your data.